everyone, Kay with Dirt Road Dancing here, and today we're going to be learning Choosin Texas. It's a 24 count, 4-wall beginner dance with no tags or restarts, and it's a lot of fun. Now, if you haven't already, please subscribe below to our channel to learn more fun dances just like this. Well, if you're ready to learn something new, let's hit the road. All right, let's start that first set of 8 count for Choosin Texas. We're gonna do what's called a rumba box, but we're adding a little twist. We're gonna add shuffles to it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna step to the right with our right foot, bring in your left, but then you're gonna shift your weight to that left foot. Then we're gonna shuffle forward with the right. Right, together, right. But you're keeping your weight on that right foot, so you can step to the left again with your left. Bring in your right, once again, shifting your weight over to that right foot so you can shuffle back on the left. Left, together, left. Let's put some counts behind that. 5, 6, 7, 8, step, 1, 2, shuffle, 3 and 4, step, 5, 6, shuffle, 7 and 8. All right, here's our second set of 8 counts. So we just finished that rumba box. Our weight is on our left foot. We're gonna take our right foot and we're gonna rock back on it, placing all of our weight onto that right foot, recover back on the left. Then we're gonna do a shuffle with a turn. So we're gonna pivot all the way to face our back wall, but we're gonna shuffle while we do it. So we're gonna step right, together, right. Then we're gonna take our left foot, rock back on it, place all your weight on that left foot so you can step forward and recover on the right. And we're gonna do that again. So we're gonna shuffle back to our home wall. Left, together, left. All right, let's put some counts behind that. 5, 6, 7, 8, rock. 1, 2, shuffle, 3 and 4, rock. 5, 6, shuffle, 7 and 8. All right, there is a variation to this. If you're having a little bit of trouble with the turn, what you can do instead is shuffle in place. So let's do that with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, rock, 1, 2, shuffle, 3 and 4, rock, 5, 6, shuffle, 7 and 8. All right, let's dance out our first set of 16 counts. From the top, weights on your left foot, we're stepping to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, shuffle, 3 and 4, step 5, 6, shuffle, 7 and 8. Rock 1, 2, shuffle, 3 and 4, rock 5, 6, shuffle, 7 and 8. All right, we made it to our last set of 8 counts. So, once again, we're starting with our weight on our left foot. We're gonna step back onto our right, and then we're gonna kick up our left, crossing it over our right. Now we're gonna shuffle forward on the left. So left, together, left. You wanna finish with your weight on your left foot, because we're now gonna do 2 skater steps. We're gonna skate right, skate left, then we're gonna rock forward onto our right foot. So place all that weight onto the right, recover onto the left. Let's put some counts behind that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, kick, 2, shuffle, 3 and 4, skate, 5, 6, rock, 7, 8. All right, now you may have noticed we haven't done our wall change yet. Not to worry. We're gonna do our wall change at the restart of the dance. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna rock forward onto that right, recover onto the left, and when we step to the right for that rumba box, we're gonna turn towards our right shoulder. And our new wall, come together, shift weight, shuffle it out, and finish that box, and then you've restarted. All right, it's time to dance out all 24 counts from the top. Weights on your left foot, we're stepping to the right. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, step 1, 2, shuffle, 3 and 4, step 5, 6, shuffle, 7 and 8, rock 1, 2, shuffle, 3 and 4, rock 5, 6, shuffle, 7 and 8, step 1, kick, 2, shuffle, 3 and 4, skate 5, 6, rock, 7, 8. Good job, everyone. We just learned a brand new dance and had fun doing it. Now, if you're ready to dance it out to music, click the video above and I'll see you over there.